All right, in this video we're going to show you how to replace your thermocouple on your CFS 2300. Step one, you want to use the red system stop button near the touch screen in the front panel. You're going to push that in to go ahead and kill the power. Once that is pressed in, you're now safe to go ahead and replace that thermocouple. This one we're going to show you is actually on the back of the machine. This one is for your afterburner. There's also the same exact style setup on the top of the machine for your main chamber. There's also one in your stack for your stack temperature. This one we're going to do in the afterburner. First thing we're going to do is take off the head by turning it counterclockwise to remove it. Next thing we're going to do is remove the wires. All right. After you remove the wires, you're going to take out the two screws that are holding in the terminal. All right, once you've removed those screws, you're going to slowly remove the terminal and the beaded element behind it. All right, once you remove that, we're going to disconnect the ends of the TC by removing them off the terminals. All right, now we're going to put the new one in. You're going to make sure that when you slide in the new leads, that they're going to go into the two innermost terminals. The yellow will be your positive, the red will be your negative. All right, once those are tightened, we're going to slowly, carefully re-enter it back into the protection tube. All right, once in place, we're going to put the screws back in to hold the terminal block down. All right, once those are tightened, we're going to reconnect the wires. Yellow is your positive, red is your negative. Those will go to the outside terminals. All right, once we're done with that, tuck in the wires, nice and secure, and then we're going to put back on the cap by twisting clockwise. All right, so now you've replaced your thermocouple on the afterburner on the back of the machine. We're going to come back up to the front. You're going to twist the system stop clockwise and let it pop out. We're going to start powering up the machine now. All right, so once the home screens come back up, you can now see that the 2498 is now 60, so the thermocouple replacement is in operation properly, but we do still have to clear alarm. So we're going to clear by touching the alarm button here. You're going to hit the alarm reset. You're going to hit back and then home, and you're now good to go ahead and start cremating again. And that's how you replace the thermocouple on your CFS 2300.